أهلا بيكم حبايبي grade 3 unit 2 lesson 74 comparing unit fraction. How can we read unit fraction? The top represents the shaded part. اللي فوق ده represent shaded part. Down at the bottom represent the total number of parts. عندي هنا 2 يبقى أحط 2. shaded part 1 يبقى أحطه فوق. اللي فوق ده اسمه إيه؟ numerator. اللي تحت ده اسمه إيه؟ denominator. برافو عليكم. يلا أنا عندي هنا how many parts 4 يبقى هيتكتب في denominator. shaded part 1 we can read it as 1/4. 3/3 I will read 1/3. And total number of parts written down 1/6 because I have one shaded part and total 6 parts. We read it as 1/6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 read as 1/5. Shaded part is 1. Let's solve. My fraction is, I'm going to write, هنكتب 1 فوق numerator and 9. It's 1/9. 1 total number 1 2 3 4 so it's 1/4. يلا بسرعة. 1 over 1 2 3 4 so it's 8. 1/8. 1/8. 1/4. 1/2 so it's half. 1/2. It's 1/1 2 3 4 5. 1/5 so it's 1/5. 1/6. 1/6 and 1/1 2 3 4 times 3 equal 1/12. يلا نشوف الكمباريزن بنعملها ازاي. الأول هسألك سؤال. If we are so hungry, if you are so hungry, هتاكل ايه؟ half of the pizza ولا 1/4؟ هاكل half of the pizza. طيب لما نقسم البيتزا divided between 2 boys كل واحد هياكل قطعة كبيرة ولا لما نقسمها على 4؟ طبعا لما نقسمها على 2. من هنا جت الكومباريزن. If we have two fraction هنبص على فوق numerator the same يبقى هنبص على denominator. الرقم الصغير هيبقى صاحب ايه؟ الفاليو الكبيرة، المقاس الكبير. اهو ادي الهاف greater than الكورتر. half 1/6 لما if two people are eating كل واحدة بياكل فيهم أكتر من إيه؟ لما يكون 6 بياكلوا البيس بتاعتهم هتبقى أكبر. 2/3 و 3/4. طيب ال1 هول لما قسمناه على 3 وال1 هول لما قسمناه على 4. المفروض تبقى 2/3. ده كده 1/3. المفروض يبقى فيه يبقى 2/3 أكبر. 1/8 1/10 يبقى ال denominator يبقى 1/8. هنا 1 2 3 parts represent as 1 shaded part. هنا 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 1/6 يبقى عرفنا إن 1/3 أكبر. هنا 1 over 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 over 8 وهنا ايه 1 over 1 2 3 4 5 يبقى it's 1 over 5 عرفنا ان يكون ايه denominator اللي رقمه صغير بيكون هو الكبير. Rahma had chocolate cake while Sarah had vanilla cake of the same size. Rahma cut her cake into 8. So it's 1 over 8 for Rahma. And Sarah cut her vanilla cake into 6. The large one is going to be Sarah's 1 over 6. Ashraf needs to cut a piece of wood to make a chair. He needs 1 over 6 or 1/6 meter of the top and 1/4 of a meter for base. Which piece of wood will be larger? 1 over 4 for the base is going to be the largest. Unit fraction as set of whole. هنا نفس الفكرة but احنا we are going to represent objects. أنا عندي هنا how many birds in all 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 يبقى هحط 7. how many اليellow ones 1. طيب الblue ones 7 over 6 6 over 7. My cans are there in a set of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Represent the yellow 1 over 9. يلا نشوف. أنا عندي how many stars 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. يبقى الدينومينيتور بتاعي هيكون فيه ايه 7. choose the fraction represent the colored shape. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I have 8 and represent the shaded part is 1. أنا عندي how many in all total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we are going to take the one which has denominator of 10 اللي عندها 10 في denominator. أنا عايزة البينك one. So it's 1 over total number 1 2 3 4 5 هاخد دي. Strawberry is 1 over 11. Write the fraction that represents the different colored part of each set. الست فيها كام كلهم 1 2 3 4 يبقى هحط 4 هنا. هنا 1. Total number of cones 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The red one is 1. Maya bought 8 presents for her family. One of them was big, the rest were small. What is the fraction of the set of small? There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8. 1 is big. 7 are small presents. The fraction that represents the big is 1 over 8. Alia cut watermelon into 10 parts. One part is small, so 1 over 10. While the rest were big. What is the fraction of big part of the watermelon? Only one part is 10. Total number 10. So the big part of watermelon is 9 over 10. Hopefully this lesson were easy and you like it. Thank you for listening.